Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. My name's Kevin. Today is Friday, and it's going to be a great Friday. It's the Friday before Christmas. People are out in the malls, they're shopping, they're building up an appetite, and hopefully they have an appetite to give me money and tip big. That's what I'm looking for, and I'm also looking for this one. $18, 2 cents, 45 minutes. It's a little on the long side. The weather is bad, so I don't think there's a lot of drivers out there, but I took it. It's only 15 kilometers, something like that. 2 orders, let's go grab them. Should be a good night. Stick along for the ride. Let's see how we do. It's those ones, perfect.
C.
Yes, C. It's right there. Perfect, thank you so much. Appreciate that. $18 in my pocket. Absolutely love it. But the roads are a little slippery. Drivers are going slow. I'm going slower than normal. It's going to take a little bit of time. Hopefully I can make some good money tonight by taking offers like this one. $8, 16 minutes. It says 16, but this restaurant was around the corner. If it's ready, it's only 5 minutes away. We can get this done in under 10. Hi, Uber Eats, A68F4. Yes. A68F4?
A68F4, yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Can you please verify?
Of course I can. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you. Here's your dinner. Thanks, enjoy. Take care. Thankfully, I only had to wait just a minute or two to get that order, and it was only 5 minutes away. Under 10 minutes, $8. I love it. I also love this one. $9, 46 cents, 22 minutes. Yes, bring them on. They're not too far. Let's do it. Let's go pick this up and get this done. Merry Christmas to me. Let's make some money. If you could like this video and subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. Thanks so much. I'm picking up for Tyler, Uber Eats.
For Tyler, yeah. Sorry, that's not yours.
This is Tyler?
Oh, yeah. And the
Oh, one of 3.
one.
Okay.
The second one. And this is the third one.
Perfect.
Oh, that's the
It just fell.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
That's
perfect.
the cold stuff,
Yeah, I'll
so
separate it
these
then.
2 are the hot ones.
Wonderful, thank you.
Thank you.
I love that last order gave me an add-on for plus $10. Potentially, if there's a $2 base pay and an $8 tip, it could be a bigger tip. There could be a hidden tip in there. That was over $19. You want to know what else is over $19? This offer. $19.09 for 42 minutes. It's 2 pickups from the same restaurant, but it's not too far away from my home, so I'm loving it. Let's go grab it, and let's hope the night continues to roll. Good. Uber Eats for Madeline and Rob. I'm sorry?
I have 2 Madeline order for the Uber, so which one do you have?
Sure. For Madeline, that one there is 67DD3. Party size.
Oh, yeah.
2 creamy garlic, right? Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Is there regular pepperoni here?
I'll just mark it for you, okay? Yeah, so that's Madeline.
Perfect. Yep. Thank you.
Can I just get a...
How you doing?
How are you?
Doing well. I'm glad I didn't have to leave it in the snow.
Yeah.
No, enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful night. You too. Bye. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Take care. The money just keeps rolling in tonight. Those customers are being really nice. That first customer, how nice was she? She was super nice, very polite, Very complimentary. I don't know what was getting into her tonight. Definitely in a good mood. But you know what else is putting me in a good mood? This offer. $28.50. That's right. $28.50, 55 minutes. I know it's a little bit long, but it's getting later. There's no guarantee I'm going to get over $28 in the next hour. So I grabbed it. It's 2 pickups. We got to go a little bit out of the zone, but I don't care. Let's make some money. Perfect.
Little heavy one, okay?
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.
No worries.
Set right in here. Thanks. Yeah, not a problem.
Have a good night, sir.
You too. Take care. How you doing tonight?
Good, you?
Doing well, thank you. Let me get your dinner for you. Here you go, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too now.
Thank you. How you doing tonight?
8779.
Perfect. Let me just get that in there.
How the roads out?
Not too bad. It was worse earlier. It seems like the plows and the salters have come out.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. You got it? Yep. Perfect. Have a good night. Yeah, thank you. I have some great news. Remember that Mary Brown's order that I said potentially could have a hidden tip? Well, it did. They give an extra $2.02. Yes, it was an over $10 tip. That was only a 5-minute trip. It was really around the corner. Absolutely love it. This next offer might have a hidden tip as well. Take a look at this. $11, 16 minutes. That magic 11. Anytime you see a short trip with $11, that's a guaranteed 8, but it could be more. Let's find out. Hi there. Uber Eats for Michelle. Thank you so much. Here you go, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, you have a good evening.
You too. Take care. I appreciate that. Thank you. I have more great news coming your way, or I should say it came my way. That order that was $28.50, it landed at $31.62. An extra $3.12 that that last customer I dropped off gave to me. Thank you so much, Mr. Customer. Really appreciate it. I've been out for 4 hours. In the last 15 minutes, I've been driving around trying to get good offers, but it's been no tip offer after no tip offer. At the 4-hour mark, I'm proud to say I got 109.21, and it could be more. That last delivery I did could have a hidden tip, potentially. And if it does, I'm going to put that on the screen. But for right now, it's 109.21. Let's hope it's more. Let's hope the screen says something better. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as a reminder, if you can like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.